Faith moves mountains, but in Luke 18, it restores sight. Let's dive into this powerful story. Imagine being a blind beggar, shunned by society yet holding on to hope. In Luke 18:35-43, a blind man hears that Jesus is passing by. With unwavering faith, he cries out, "Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me." Despite being told to be silent, his persistence echoes louder. Jesus stops, calls him forward, and asks, "What do you want me to do for you?" "Lord, I want to see," he replies. And with a simple command, "Receive your sight. Your faith has healed you," the man's world bursts into color. This story isn't just about regaining physical sight. It's about the power of faith, the strength and persistence, and the transformative impact of belief. No matter how dark our days may seem, faith can light the way, and perseverance can lead to miracles. So, when life dims your vision, remember the blind beggar. Let your faith be the light that guides you. If you are inspired by this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. God bless you.